I'm going to show you how to delete all of your saved videos on TikTok. What we'll do is we'll save a video and then we'll go find where they are and then delete them from there. So let's go to TikTok. And I'm just going to save this video here, and all you need to do is go ahead and hit the bookmark icon at the far right side. It's right above the share arrow. So go ahead and hit that bookmark. It'll turn yellow, and as it says it's saved. So let's go to our profile. And what you want to do is that same bookmark logo you have actually as one of the options here as I'm going through. And these are all the saved videos. Now, unfortunately, you can't delete them all at the same time. You would have to go through and individually unsave these reels. So let's go ahead and click on that same reel that we just saved. And the only thing you need to do is go ahead and uncheck or unclick that bookmark icon. So once that's unchecked, we can go back to our page, and then it refreshes immediately and it gets rid of that saved video. So that's really the only way to do it. You would have to manually go through to all these different videos and unbookmark those videos on TikTok. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to delete all those saved videos.